Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the features. Now we have to tap on system navigation, and as you can see here we've got 2 different options, and the gestures are here also. Before we will set them, just a quick disclaimer, here you can customize the virtual navigation, so you can for example reorder the back button and the recent and decide whether you want to always show the navigation bar. So to set the gestures we have to tap on this option. So let's tap, let's mark it, and you can see that we do not have the 3 buttons navigation displayed. You can enter the settings also, and here you can decide whether you want to display the bottom indicator, so this line. You can change the back sensitivity, Google Assistant, or avoid mispiration by swipe gesture. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, like that. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.